Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix iPhone not downloading apps. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having the issue that any kind of app is not downloading on iPhone, then guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, simply you can fix this problem. You need to go back and guys open your settings and guys click on your Apple ID and make sure that your Apple ID is logged in your phone. And guys, if not logged in, you need to log in your Apple ID. And guys, after login your Apple ID, you need to go back. So guys, if already log in your Apple ID, then you need to click on Apple ID and simply you need to sign out your Apple ID. And guys, after signing out, you need to sign in again on your iPhone. And guys, the second method is you need to open your app store in which you have downloaded any apps or want to download apps. So guys, simply you need to click on main profile of app store, and guys, you need to click on personalized recommendations. Click here and click on clear app usage data. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and scroll it down. And guys, you need to sign out your Apple ID from app store and sign in again on app store. So guys, after doing this method, you need to go back and open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down, click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that it is off. So guys, if it is on, then you need to off it. And guys, after doing off, you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to click on general simply. So guys, after clicking on general, you need to click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and you have can't install any app on iPhone, then simply you guys need to update your iPhone. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to click on software update and check that if you have any kind of update, then you need to install that update in your phone. So guys, here you can see I have an update that is iOS 17 beta 6. So guys, if you have this kind of update or any other update, so guys, simply guys, after clicking on update now, then all the updates will be installed in your phone and all the problems will be fixed on your iPhone.